What's going on, you bloody legends? I know it's been like 3 weeks since I've uploaded. This could be 4 weeks, who knows? But today we're going to be doing part 2 of the wrap. So obviously you can see the car is gold on this side and the other side is not. So I'm going to start cutting shit out. I've already cleaned it, let's do it. Also, I know in the last episode I said I'm going to be starting to wrapping other people's cars inside my own company. And if you were worried about that, I did a course and now I'm certified to wrap. So if you're a little bit worried, don't worry. Hit my Instagram up if you want to get a wrap or a quote or whatever. I've got a HILUX booked in already. So if you're wondering what the HILUX is going to be, it's going to be this sandy taupe-ish color. This is actually called ivory gloss. It's the closest I can get to sandy taupe. If you want me to film that wrap on that HILUX and do a little series on it, I can. Let me know down in the comments. If you remember from the last episode, or maybe it wasn't in the episode, but anyways, I did this door and this mirror was tech screwed in. I don't know, you might have seen it on TikTok. And the mirror snapped, but I now have a gloss black mirror on here as well. I have one for the other side because the normal plastic, I'll show you. Normal plastic is like this weird, I don't know, textured weird black stuff. It's okay looking, but it's impossible to wrap because it's one solid piece. And I think the gloss black looks better. All right, so I'm starting to get my first piece on here, ready to go. It actually took me ages to get the badge off because again, it was like really stuck to the paint. And I'm still looking for a nice formula to get the really, really hard stuff off, but it is a 2006, so that shit's gonna happen. All right, as you can tell, it is now the next day and I have this door done. It's looking really, really good. This has stayed all nice and in. All my cuts are perfect and the handle has stayed in as well. But yeah, it's looking so good, especially with the black mirror. So now I need to take this door handle off and clean this door up some more and lay it, and then I can do the whole surrounding as well. Let's do that right now. And boom, I have the panel all laid in, and yes, I have a wrap glove on, it's kind of weird. That's all laid in, corners are all laid in, and now I just need to trim it. And bang, it's all trimmed up and done. There's just masking tape around the edges here, but it's looking really, really good. There's one thing here I hate, which is this peeling, disgusting trim. This one's also doing it as well. This one's really bad, so I'm gonna have to order a new set of them. I'm just gonna do it all around. Order some new weather guards as well. So it's kind of a good thing. I've actually run out of wrap for the tub and I was thinking about doing a tray. I think I said that earlier. So it's probably a good thing I run out of wrap. So now I'm more incentive to do a tray and build one with my brother, which will look sick. Now all I have to do is that big C around there and that will be done. And then I do have to do this guard as well, but I need to get some special rivets for this. So I can't exactly do that just yet. And then the scoop just here, the paint is really bad on it. I don't know if I showed you in the previous episode. Just been doing some testing here with this vinyl and I'm gonna peel it off. It's been baking in the sun all day. And if I peel it off and the paint comes off, that means the vinyl peeled really, really early. But goddamn, she's looking really, really good, guys. Like, oh, I'm so happy with that color. It's just looking so good, and I can't wait to get some like black decals down there and maybe on the bonnet. I'm not sure yet. I was thinking of maybe getting a sticker right here. It says like sponsors, and then if you guys choose like a bigger member thing down below, I'll have your names here and stuff. So if you choose the highest one, then you get your sticker there. That'd be pretty sweet. I really wanted to finish the car for you guys today, but I haven't had a video out in about 3 weeks, so I'm just gonna get this video out right now. It's a bit of an update for you guys. I have some sliders coming from DIY Customs and a bunch of other stuff as well, like a winch, UHF, and a bunch of other stuff. So if you are new around here, remember to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever a build video goes live, or when I'm going forward driving, camping, blah, blah, blah. I go with Living 4x4 a lot. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.